So after all that, trying to convince me that I signed, which you can clearly see I never signed anything. They sent me an invitation. They said that I viewed it, which she was doing a demonstration at 6:58. So how, or just getting to my house at 6:58. So how am I viewing a document? And then it says they did access code at 7:37. They opened it, they viewed it, and they signed it. When she tried to convince me in October that I signed it, that's when I viewed it. I viewed it again on the 27th. I viewed it again on the 27th. I viewed it again on the 27th. I got a copy delivered to me. November, viewed it again. Viewed it again. December 2nd. December 14th. I viewed it again. I went to the history on this DocuSign because I was beginning to think Docu was in on it. I'm like, why would they give me a piece of paper that says I signed on the 18th? And I know I did not sign on the 18th. So I guess Rainbow wasn't keeping track of their history, or I think anybody would have sense enough to go to their history and see on June 17th, no 18th is in here. It was signed by Healthy Essentials. Carla Fowler viewed it. She viewed it. Let's go down here. Invitation viewed, access open, viewed, signed by Healthy Essentials. Viewed, printable, video, viewed. And the court date is November 28th, darling. I have all the proof I need. I'm going to court November 28th at 9 a.m. And hopefully the judge is a fair, honest judge. That's why I'm putting this information out, just in case something happens to me. Because I'm pretty sure they frauded other people for years. And you see I'm holding this sheet of paper because a lot of the information came up missing. A lot of my accounts, I had to get Facebook to court. Okay, apparently DocuSign can't be trusted either. Remember I showed you 6:58? Look at this, 6:53. This girl went in on the court date and changed my information. Remember it was 6:58? She signed me right there at 6:58. Then she's this is crazy. This document I had already printed out and showed you guys a few days ago. There was no signature. And today, on my court date, November 28th, I won. And she went back in and added some more stuff on DocuSign. Can you believe that? So the police just left my house. It's fraud, but internet fraud is a misdemeanor. This is so ridiculous. I can't believe it. I am so glad that I recorded the one earlier so you guys could see it. She went in and changed the information. Do not trust DocuSign. This one is na3docusign.net. That could be a false company. I don't even know how this stuff is working. But as you can clearly see, this document has been tampered with. And I'm glad I'm smart, and I'm glad that I am the type person that checks things like this, because we're going back to court because she said she's going to appeal it with false records. And I hope they lock her ass in jail. This is ridiculous. Today is November 28th. You see how many times it's crazy. That's the one this is the one I used for court today. And this is the one she changed November 28th. Is that ridiculous or what? It's crazy. I just saw something else. Pacific time says 6:50. I'm in Central Time. My time is 6:50. So how can Pacific and Central Time be the same? It can't. It's a 2-hour difference. So you can go in DocuSign and put in any number you want. This is a legal document. Okay, that's the 17th. I showed you before. This is the 18th. DocuSign needs some overhauling.